Hi, my name is Reka Gavaldi and I am the Intuition Ninja. I've been practicing energetic healing, pranic healing and different natural therapies for over 20 years now. And my core belief is feeling good. Emotions drive the ship and looking good. So I'm going to be 46 years old in October, and I believe that you need to be able to keep up a good vibe inside and outside. So today I'm going to talk to you about 3 beauty tools that will help us to create a spa at home experience that we crave right now. So the first step in any spa at home experience is that you cleanse your skin. So make sure when you use any of these LUXE Edition beauty tools that you only apply them on a cleansed and prepped skin. I like to use my LUXE Edition Sonic Face Cleanser for that extra cleanse. So let's get started. It is important to use a face oil whenever you use the Guacha or the face roller. It's not a big deal, just a couple of drops of your favorite oil into your hands. 2, 3, this is just 3 drops. And then gently apply it with this tapping motion onto your face, forehead, onto your neck. And maybe after you finished with your neck, you run out of the oil, then you apply another 2 drops, not more than that. 2, and then you finish it off applying it to your décolletage. So here we go, be ready with the oil, and the face is prepped for the roller. So I've applied the oil and now I am ready to use the face roller on my neck for lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage is a fantastic way to eliminate toxins from your body because it stimulates the natural drainage of your lymph nodes. Lymphatic drainage is fantastic to reduce bags, puffiness and fluid retentions. You ready? Let's do it! So with skincare, we are always talking about lifting, especially around the neck area. So we all want to be lifted and firm and tight. But when we are talking about the lymphatic drainage or the ancient techniques of the Guacha and the face roller, the opposite is true when we're talking about the neck. Because it is drainage, it must go down and not up. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to use the face roller on my neck. I'm going to use the large side on my neck, and later on I show you how to use the small one around the eye area. So here we go. Just a very gentle, maybe medium pressure around the neck. You can go through your throat like 3 times, all the way to the edge, and then back. And don't forget, it's going down. So then I use the face roller, the big part, across my décolletage area. I'm gonna go from the middle outwards and then back. And again, just a couple of times. You feel it as you roll it through the bone. It really feels good. And then we change direction. You can, it really works those back muscles. There we go. And now, again with the big one, we're going to go onto the chin. You put it to the middle. And it's the bone, it's a strong bone, holds a lot of tension, so just feel free to have that middle pressure, and then you go down on the neck, and then again 3 times. You turn it around when you are at the neck, because that's where the drainage effect kicks in. 3 times, more than enough. Other side. There you go. You have to see, it will turn. So if you don't hold it right, it won't turn. So you will feel the right way to do it. Easy. So we are going to treat the lips now. I'm going to use the big part. And here I'm going to use the lifting motions. It's upwards. So I am promoting circulation and firming. You can go through it 3 times. This area really needed. It shows the aging, so we take really good care. So after the lips, I'm going to go onto the cheekbones. It's again a lifting motion. I love this. This is my favorite because it gives me this beautiful glow and makes my cheekbones stand out. And I repeat it on the other side. So after the cheekbones, I'm going to roll over the nose. You can use the small one or the big one. It's amazing. If you have sinuses, it really opens up the channels. It's not that much of an anti-aging spot, but really helps you if you have sinuses. So after the nose, we're going to the eye area and we're going to use the small part of the roller. And this is a very delicate area. So we're starting from the nose and just gently pull it towards the edge of your eye. It's one of the most important parts for anti-aging, so you want to spend a bit of time here. And for those of you who are on the computer all day long, you're going to love this. It's going to reduce those puffiness, dark circles, signs of tiredness will just disappear. And so after that, we're going to go with the larger part. We're going to go pull this up at the eyebrow. It's like a lifting effect, and you can pull it across the eyebrow a couple of times. It's really going to make a difference. The eyebrow bone is going to help you look fresh when it's rolled over properly. So like a couple of times you can go across. There you go. And just up. And we're going to finish off with your forehead. This is one of the most important points really for aging, because we store all our stress and worry up in here. You know when you do this? We all do that. You gotta stop doing that. So this is going to help us. It's like a great massage. And then the other side if you like. A couple of times. So let me introduce you to the Guacha. The Guacha is an ancient traditional Chinese medicine technique. It's a part of an ancient traditional ritual, and it comes in different sizes and in different shapes. This one that I'm going to introduce you today is larger than some, and it's going to be excellent to relieve tension and stress. Now, I'm going to start to use it first on my neck, and then I'm going to show you how to use it on the shoulders. So stay with me, watch out, because you need to learn the technique. So I'm going to use just medium pressure. I'm not going to go hard because the Guacha will do the job for you. So we start up on the neck and we're going to pull it down slowly. Now, why am I saying slowly? Because as you pull, let's say for me here is a knot, you will feel it. That's what's causing the stress and the tension. So you just go down. It's very simple, but you're gonna feel the problem if you have any. So you're going to become your own massage therapist and release all your tension from the neck, which gives a lot of tension, headaches and eye pain, and causes a lot of aging when these blocks are not relieved. So about 3 times, 4 or 5 times as you feel, not strong once again. And then you do the very same thing. Now, if you have a little hair like I do, don't worry about it. You can go onto the hair. It feels so good, honestly. Here is not for me, and I think for you as well. This is a special area. No way that you can get into this with your thumb. Perfect. Now I'm going to turn again to my right side to show you how it works on the shoulders. So you can do 2 things. You can go and have the whole movement, or you can take your other hand and just work it on the shoulder. so you're not working it and incorporating it with the neck, you take it separately. Okay. Now, please don't use that part, because with that you can go deeper and we don't want you to do that. This is going to be enough. So, a couple of times. And you create a lot of blood flow, and that will remove the tension and the pain. And you get a new neck and a new shoulder in 2 minutes. Now, this is medium pressure, and I can feel that the skin gets some fresh blood pumping. So we massage the neck and the shoulders, and now we're going to massage the décolletage. We're going to keep using the Guacha, very similar technique that we have seen with the roller, but it's a bigger surface and it's going to do a deeper work. With the roller you prep your skin, and now a couple of times, not more. Then we go into the chin, this bit. It's really handy. It's going to sit right in the jaw. We put it in the middle line and we pull it out. We're not going to take it into the neck, we just do this much. Oh, it's so good. Honestly, this is good. So if you're clenching your teeth at night, you will feel it. You will feel it here. This is one major point here. Right here, other side. This is so much tension gets released with a couple of strokes. Now we're going to go into the cheekbones gently, right? No harsh strong movements, gently, slowly. Beautiful. And then the lips, very same, lifting motion. I can hardly wait. You try this at home and you're going to feel what I'm talking about, because I'm feeling it. Then we're going to go into the eyebrow a couple of times. These bones need a lot of love because they hold a lot of tension. All the muscles around get a really good workout, good blood flow. Then we do forehead. You can change directions. Really, you're going to feel which way you like it or prefer it. I show you both ways. You can pull it down the nose a couple of times. Very refreshing. Feels amazing. So I'm going to show you how to use the applicator. Here we go. I dipped it into the mask already. So this applicator is made of silicone, so it's easy to clean. So you just need to apply your mask onto each cheekbones and then forehead. So we're just going to keep applying, and with even strokes, you just apply the mask all over the face, the chin, just use your favorite mask. It really glides beautifully, absolutely effortless, and nicely applies it around the little corners of your nose. Here we go, you can't miss that part. And then I'm going to continue it with my forehead. You need to go all the way to your hairline, right around your eyebrow. Just sculpt your own face. It feels so nice. It's such a between the brows. And you can play around with the nose, try to cover it if you can. Just the last little bit. Nice. There you go. Ready. Now we leave it on for 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Depends how much time you have. So this self-care package is for you. Enjoy some pampering, take some time out every day for yourself, relax and recharge. Don't we all need some self-love and a little luxury in our lives?